और नाज़रीन, जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया कि भूटान के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म डॉक्टर लोटे शेरिंग हिंदुस्तान के दौरे पर हैं और इस वक्त वो खिताब कर रहे हैं। आइए सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
What many may not know is, as the third parliamentary elections took place in Thimphu, and the results were declared on the 18th of October, and the 20th morning, that is barely 20 hours after the official results were declared, I got a call from none other than Prime Minister Modi ji. Prime Minister Modi was the only and the first head of the government who personally took trouble to call me and congratulate me and express how happy he was as we progress, how democracy is taking roots in Bhutan, how should we go further. And it was that day, 24 hours after the election results were out, I didn't even take office then. Prime Minister Modi ji wanted me to visit India. And it was on that day the Prime Minister told me that he'll send his expert team, including his Foreign Secretary, to make my way to visit India. And it happened today. We are very thankful that all the arrangements are excellently done. And we also bring in lots of regards, love, care and affection from my king and all the people of Bhutan to all the people of India. So as I was saying this morning, the main mission of this visit is to appreciate Indo-Bhutan relation and to take Indo-Bhutan relation at much greater heights. As I was saying this morning that yes, we are celebrating 50 years of Indo-Bhutan friendship or diplomatic relations. But more than that, now we need to score a century, maybe go on to score double centuries and triple centuries. For that, we are very, very happy that Prime Minister Modi ji has personally committed to be with us, to support us. And in that light, you all heard that the Government of India has again extended full support for our 12th five-year plan and also to support our traders who are being affected by the GST that has come in action in India. So for all these gestures, we are very, very grateful, Prime Minister sir, and it only shows how much you are concerned as a big neighbor to support your neighbors. So a neighbor first policy goes very much in line with narrowing the gap that we fought for in the last election. Thank you very much. And as we all know, hydropower had been the main source of revenue for our country, and for that India had been very, very generous to be seeing us through, and we have many, many miles to go in that, and we are very happy that we heard this morning that Government of India is fully committed to support whatever negotiations that is going on for Mangdichu tariff, as well as to make Sankosh project happen as soon as possible. So we are very happy for that. And before I say anything, I would like to, if your schedule permits, please visit Bhutan as soon as possible. And maybe Mangdichu project is commissioning very soon in next few months' time. And it will be our honor to have Prime Minister Modi ji to inaugurate that project and to see us through many more projects to come. On that front,